Hey guys, right now I'm here in the top of a rock in this beautiful open house. This house is amazing. The price is 3.9 million, and let's see on this video why is that, okay? Let's start with the amazing jacuzzi and the pool, which is beautiful. Amazing fire pit facing the ocean. It's super well designed. This house is like, you can see it here, for example, this is some secondary rooms. It's well set up. You can be here just facing the ocean also. The beautiful part is, whatever part you in the mountain, you will see an amazing view. Let's check these rooms. Very nice. This is our listing agent. Hola.
Yes.
Your name?
Justin Shaw.
Justin Shaw. So, can you explain a little bit about the house?
Well, it was a former boutique hotel many years ago, but
Okay.
it was very popular actually. It's got, as you can see, it's sort of set up like that. It's got 4 separate casitas with the
Okay.
master being 2 levels. Each captures
Okay.
its own unique part of the, the views to Ilias Calles. To the
Okay.
south, and then to the north you get the Cerritos views. And then bonus down below, as you saw, beautiful landscaping. There's a 2-bedroom casita down there.
Okay, perfect.
And then all kinds of space.
Beautiful. So I saw here is just 1 bedroom.
Yep.
With their own bathroom, and here is a casita with 2 bedrooms.
No, that's they're each 1 bedroom. So one bedroom,
okay.
1 bedroom. There's a 2-floor master right over here.
Okay.
And then around this way to the back, there's another separate casita.
Okay, I gotcha. So let's take a look of the whole house.
Please, if
Thank
have
you
any
very
questions,
much.
I'm here. Thank you
See?
for coming.
Hola. It has a right direct view of the ocean. And he mentioned it's 2-level master. It has their own jacuzzi, a big closet, it has like kind of a massage table. I think you can do your meditations here. And who doesn't want to do their meditation here? Pretty precious. Well guys, thank you very much for watching all of my video. If this is your house, the house of your dream, please contact me, and of course I'm more than happy to support you with all the details that you need to know. Okay, see you in the next video.